How to change Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to change Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. Accidentally changing your Roblox account location. This can mess with things like currency and maybe even content availability. So to change Roblox location, first open the Roblox app on your phone. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner for More section. Scroll down and select Settings. In the settings, tap Account Info. Now scroll down and you will notice that we cannot change the location here. You'll see a message explaining you can't change it here anymore. Tap the back button to go back to the main menu. Tap the three dots again, then scroll down and select Help and Safety. Select Help. Tap on Roblox account. I need help with my account. Scroll down until you see the Account Settings section. Tap See all 16 articles. Scroll down until you find the Account Location Common Questions article and read it. Once you're done, tap Need more help? Contact support here. A form will appear. Here's your chance to explain the situation. Briefly say you accidentally changed your location in the app and want it set back to your actual location. Fill out the rest of the form. This includes your username, email address. Make sure it's a valid email address so they can contact you. The device you're using, choose your device. For me, I will choose an Android phone. For the Help category, select How To in the first box and then How To Other in the second box. In the description box, write something like this. I will leave this message for you in the description to copy. Double-check everything looks good, then tap Continue. After you submit your request, you might encounter a verification CAPTCHA. This is just a quick test to make sure you're a real person. Complete the verification CAPTCHA to ensure your request is sent to the Roblox team. Now, Roblox support will be in touch within a few days to fix your location. Be patient and polite with Roblox support. They'll be happy to help you get back to your normal Roblox adventures. That's all you need to know about changing your Roblox location. And this is how to change Roblox location if you accidentally changed it. If you have any questions about changing Roblox location, if you accidentally changed it, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.